Now that TwoFlow is finished running, we're ready to read the results. So we'll select the Read Results button. And of course that will ask us to select the log file. And it's the 25-minute storm we ran. So we'll select Read Results again. Now the moment we select Read Results, it always brings in the last recorded time step, which is the maximum of all of the results. So in our 3D perspective view, once again, we see what that looks like. In our plan view, because we don't have our contours toggled on, if we come back here and we go to Toggle and turn on our tin contours, right, you're now able to see the effect of what we've done with our culvert. So the water is always just a little bit deeper here at the head wall, and we'll talk about why that drops down a little bit. And then at the exit, you can see where we've created this channel. The water is quite a bit deeper, and it's going to flow down towards the end and then eventually spread out and go back into the project, back to the end of the model. If we'd like to see the velocity vectors to go with that, we'll bring up our results controls and change the tin display. Instead of looking at depth, we'll go down to velocity vector, select the set button on that, or maybe go back a time step and go to the next time step back. And you can see that we've got the velocity magnitude contours. Once again, to see the arrows, we'll come up to the toggle button. We'll turn off our contours. And with the contours turned off, we see the velocity arrows. To make those arrows a little bit bigger, we'll make those go by a factor of 5. So 1 meter per second will be drawn 5 meters long. And if we hit the set button on that, go back a time step, and then forward the time step, you now can see how the water starts out by flowing down and into this channel, and then by the time we get to the end, it goes and flows directly out. Now, this run has been done with the rainfall on grid, plus, if we go back to the input data, plus the water from our catchment. So that's why we see the water coming up all the way down here, and of course you can see there's the water going into the head wall.